Welcome to Brief Briefs. Today we are going to illustrate one of the most pivotal tools of a wizard, the wizard's wand, but not just any wand in particular. The wand of one young wizard named Harry Potter. This explanation is not canon, but it is a deep scientific dive into the physics and engineering of this instrument. The construction of Harry Potter's wand is quite simple. It is made of holly with a bark-laden handle and smooth casting tip. Measuring around 11 inches long, it has a phoenix feather in its core with a conducting chamber running from heel to tip. There is an extremely detailed history of this wand, but we aren't going to elucidate those events. Instead, let's jump right into the science. First, an expedited explanation of arcane field theory. In the hypothetical science of magic, reality is embedded in a multi-layered field topology, with our physical universe as the primary layer and one or more substrata where mana raw magical potential energy resides. The primary layer is based in the theoretical framework of quantum field theory. In condensed matter physics, QFT is used to describe dimensional electron states. In high-energy physics, string theory is a type of 1 plus 1-dimensional QFT, while Kaluza-Klein theory uses gravity in extra dimensions to produce gauge theories in lower dimensions. The next layer consists of the mana field. The mana field is an omnipresent scalar/quantum field carrying latent energy in the substrata. This layer is followed by resonance nodes. Resonance nodes are specific configurations in spacetime often tied to biological neural patterns that allow an individual to couple to the mana field. To begin, a wizard will cast aural waveforms, which are highly ordered, transient information structures in the mana field that, once stabilized, cause probabilistic biasing of events in the primary layer. Now, the wand is not the source of the mana, but it is an arcane waveguide and filter for the aural waveforms, and three things happen when an aural waveform is substantiated. First, neural pattern induction. The caster forms an intent, represented neurologically as a fractalized oscillatory pattern in cortical mana access regions. These patterns are mapped to predetermined ion and gauge boson force carriers, which determine how mana will be shaped. Without focusing hardware, human neurology can leak coherence quickly. The wand stabilizes and amplifies the coherence while preventing side fumbling. Second, mana coupling and transfer. The wand's focus crystal or core is attuned to a resonant mana frequency band. A conductive medium of the wand transmits mana plasmons, quasi-particles representing bound quantum entangled information from the source to the focused tip. This process is governed by arcane admittance, analogous to electrical impedance matching. Higher eta means less energy lost as backflow mana radiation. And lastly, spellform projection. At the wand tip, the mana plasmons are phase modulated into a coherent standing wave in the mana field. The wand's geometry determines the mode structure of the wave and is emitted into the substrata, collapsing into a spellform that propagates back into the primary layer, triggering the desired effect. And thus, that desired effect is the magic that we see and feel in the physical world. Thank you for watching this video about wand mechanics, and if you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel